Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. Not in the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, March the 19th, 2022. Today is actually Sunday. Yesterday's newspaper, no additional, no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the edition of Tuesday, March the 1st, 2022. Yeah. 2 weeks, more than 2 weeks ago, and I've solved in this additional for three puzzles: the 1 star, the 2 stars, the binary, and now it's time for the tectonic with 1 star, and this will be number 4287. 4287. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one. The indication of a 1 star means I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here the single box, always a 1. Dual boxes, do we have dual boxes here in this puzzle? No dual boxes. I see only a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 2 is already filled in. Oh! Overlook this one. Yeah. Single box. A 1. Triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. The 2 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes are the numbers 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also a triple box. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. So 4 or 5. Okay, here another one. Triple box, and look here, the box near the middle box, always 4 or a 5. Well, the 5 is already filled in. And these 3 boxes I cannot fill in. I need more information. Quadra boxes, I see here a quadra boxes. Cannot fill any numbers. More quadra boxes here, also quadra box. I need to wait for more information. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or construction. For example, the T shape. Here we have a T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. Alright, when you see the T shape, remember this upside down T shape. Yes, this box is always the same box as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. T shape. One T shape in this puzzle. Then the L shape. We have an L shape. Let me draw this here. Okay. Mirrored. Yes, mirrored. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. Alright. Here, another L shape. Upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Okay. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. More of these kind of shapes or figures? No. And I believe those three are the shapes in this puzzle. There are no, let me check. Yeah, only three that you need to recognize. There are more, but not in this puzzle. There are maximum 6 shapes that you need to recognize, but in this puzzle we have only 3. Why you need to recognize? Well, the following step. It's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright. Let me see. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Okay. Yeah. Then. How about these 3 boxes surround a 5. Cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Then this box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes here. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for 2 should be here. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quarter box should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here in this triple box. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this cross area for the number 4. Alright, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, and that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quarter box should be here. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box can be, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here in this area. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 2. 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes here. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. I've told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes, and I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Monday. So have a great and fantastic Sunday. Until then, bye bye for now.